Ini nastar yang sempurna. Victor Open Fantasi, nastar glowing Aladdin. Jesus, amironiso.
Kumpula bersekali, Tuhan sinon dan tunaholomi, asa berkongsi, kain maaru,
Saya makin muda. Saya makin muda. Semuanya makin muda karena kita nabung otot dari muda. Minum Hilo Platinum tiap hari, tinggi protein, tinggi kalsium. Jalan ribuan langkah aja nggak cukup. Latihan beban tuh harus nabung otot dengan Hilo Platinum.
Tahu nggak apa yang menjadi DNA warga Indonesia? Bareng.
Tuhan Yesus Tuhan
yang bikin bulan istimewa itu istimewa. Karena banyak yang dinantikan.
Ini udah oke, Mas.
Gimana? Makan kue? Mau nggak? Mas, tempat Bu.
Siang siang ete hoki saat rodi saunari nunga tungguk di lehoko pasu-pasu Tuhan nang petutuk manina sialakan jalanmu amai saitong pasaluho manupinya Tuhan Boy hujan dapat natongi dapat kalahu jawahi aliansi doi Tuhan janganlah meninggalkan aku alami Tuhan Ujian ku tutup kuarni sangat tutup di mulutku hati jakonoku Tuhan jijolok misuje jolaki modosi pangulaan Dapat kalahu jawahi aliansi doi Tuhan janganlah meninggalkan aku alami Tuhan ujian ku tutup kuarni sangat tutup di mulut ixnay on the nerd itchy.
I agree with Luke. I think there are better ways to get info out of someone.
You gonna honeypot for him?
I'm just saying, you don't run headfirst into torture. It's a big step.
I spent months on this guy's compound. I know him better than anyone here. Oro only understands violence.
So let's give it to him.
It physically pains me to say this, but Princess Emma's right. This dickbag tried to kill almost everyone in this room. How are CoverGirl and I the only one with balls in here?
Well, the point is moved till we get that PDD. In the meantime, I'm putting Carlson on standby.
Carlson? Ooh, that gotta be creepy.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. You didn't corral your cart? Cart's going to the cart corral.
What?
Your cart rolled off and it dinged my PT Cruiser. Piss off. Boy, that just creams my heart. Yellow, North Carlson here. Outstanding. Yeah, I just re-upped on supplies too.
Look at this. A reunion. Me, Finn, Danielle, whatever your real names are. I invited you into my home. Clothed you. Fed you. You, Finn, I never once lied to you. Not even when I said I loved you. I looked up to you. And you killed my only living parent. Now you chained me up. Tell me, who's the bad guy?
The one selling nukes to terrorists?
Now listen to me,
Don't bang out me. Let me ask you something. Did you ever care for me at all? Or were you just acting to curry favor with my father? And once you killed him, you took care of things for me out of guilt, to assuage your conscience.
I cared for you then, and I care for you now. That's why I'm trying to tell you that there's a man coming to inflict tremendous pain on you. Pain unimaginable. Using methods that slide through the tiniest loopholes in our legal system. I'm fighting to stop that.
And I'm cheering for it like it's homecoming. I don't care if a Ginsu knife salesman shoves his entire sample case up your ass to get you to talk.
Danielle, bring it down a notch, okay?
Listen to the man, Danny. I am a shark. You caught a shark. Good for you. But play my way, and I can catch you many blue whales who all want to get their fins on my suitcase bomb. The auction is in sessions. One signal from me, I could lead them all right to you.
What are the conditions?
Captivity on my terms. House arrest in Bora Bora. Assets remain untouched. Waterproof ankle bracelet from a ditch in the ocean. Still a prison. Just surrounded by white sand instead of iron bars.
And when we say no,
My buyers are off in the wind. Get their nukes elsewhere. You have countless deaths on your hands.
we'll be lucky if we get you a 6x8 in Leavenworth.
We will consider it. Come.
What are you thinking? We're not making a deal with him.
Kyle is a match.
Creamer. We need creamer. Yes.
Mother's freaking out. You don't look too good either.
Well, I got a sick kid and a frantic wife at the hospital. Well, what if he says no?
He's gonna say yes.
What if he wants to see Romy or wants visitation? Or what if he wants custody?
Romy is your daughter. Get your act together. Calm down. You hear me?
I'm gonna help out in the kitchen.
Waschlappen.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh,
Emma, Mary, Luke.
green dip.
Yeah.
Oh, well, thanks very much. It's very kind of you to drop this off.
No, hold on. I was invited to be here.
You must be confused, because this is family only.
Barrett.
Well, Barry's family.
Damn straight.
What's going on?
He's just dropping off bean dip.
No. I invited Donnie here for support.
I don't want Kyle to feel like he's walking the bus stop with all the people around here. It's on a need to be here basis.
Okay, Luke, please.
How do you even explain Daryl's relationship to Romy? Moms, husbands, mothers, boyfriend, or something like
I'll
that?
take care of
I,
it.
I don't want to make a difficult situation worse. I'll be the bigger man and go. Can you walk me up?
Sure.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You must be Kyle.
Yeah.
I did the right thing.
Kyle, hi. It's nice to meet you. Please come in.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
But my buddy's a doctor, and he told me there's risks, infection, nerve damage. My livelihood could be impacted, so I think it's only fair that we discuss cost.
Our insurance covers everything.
I don't mean the cost procedure. I mean my cost. Missed work, recovery time,
How much?
150,000.
We can't afford that.
Pretty nice house. You got a couple cars in the driveway. You can figure it out. I'm not gonna risk my life for nothing just to save some kid that I've never even met.
You sneaky son of a bitch.
Emma! He doesn't give a shit about Romy. He's doing this for a payday.
And he walks up the door and Romy doesn't give what she needs. Think it over. You have my number. And you have my number. What just happened?
Oh, now you talk.
What does that mean?
Your kid is sick and you just stand there and say nothing. Emma, that's not helpful.
Dad told me to stay calm. Who are you to talk to me like that? You don't have a child. You don't know what I'm going through. Just shut up, Emma.
Don't talk to your sister like that.
Oh, of course you stick up for her. She's the son you always wanted.
He's gonna be okay. Look, you don't have to sell your ship.
It's not gonna fetch the kind of money he wants.
Really?
Plus, it could take months to find a buyer. What about a second mortgage?
We already took one out years ago. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry. I'm not gonna let anything happen to our granddaughter. I promise.
Okay.
What's a kindergartner doing with a six-figure uncut diamond?
This is just a little souvenir from Antwerp. I felt bad that I missed her recital.
Antwerp, is that a conflict diamond?
You call killing a bunch of guys in the warehouse a conflict. I mean, it's no big deal. It's no different than me getting you the necklace for graduation.
You mean for missing my graduation? Because all your gifts were apologies for you being gone.
I see what this is all about. You wanted to go after Boro, and you wanted to kick Carl's ass, and you couldn't do either, so you're pissed off at me.
You could not be more off base. I feel bad for you. All the mistakes you made with Oscar and me, you're making the same ones with Romy and you don't even realize it. God forbid something happens to her and you'll have blown your second chance at getting it right.
Hey, look what I got. Found a tag sale. I'm just kind of looking for something to cheer Romy up.
A rocking horse? Carter, the kid can barely lift her head off her pillow.
I know. It's just for when she's better. You okay?
Not really. You said you do a donor drive, not do arts and crafts.
Okay. Wow. I really thought you said Kyle was a match.
I never said he'd donate. And now he won't until we pay him.
I didn't know that. It's fine. Look, I will make some more calls.
I'm just spinning a million plates and I just asked you to handle this one thing.
Okay. Look. You are somebody who likes to control everything. From academics to your career to picking a handsome fiance who just kind of goes with the flow. And I think you're having a hard time the fact that you can't control Romy's illness. So why don't you stay in this horse with me and just take 5 minutes to think about something else?
Yeah, okay. Because the one thing every sick child wants is a toy from the Renaissance. I was just looking for someone who could lighten my load a little bit.
No, Emma.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Claudia. Name's Norm. That art store has so many things and so many aisles. I had a Dickinson type finding the right glitter glue. Yeah. So much you make it out for that. Norwegian crumb cakers. My Murmur's recipe. Let me know if you want me to pop one in your mouth for you.
This is worth $300,000. All you have to do is just go to the hospital, take some tests, make a donation, and this is yours.
Well, I walk into that jewelry store over there. The guy said it's real. You got the deal.
The fact is, if you say yes, doctors are going to set everything in motion. They're going to kill Rome's immune system. If she doesn't get information in the next 24 hours, she'll die. So will you.
I know. Nothing's gonna happen again.
And we could trust you.
I know this looks pretty, but there's a unique blend of bonding agents in these art supplies. They're gonna feel like a line of fire ants marching right after Dig Dog. Now let's get those slacks off. I have a 24-hour cancellation policy.
You will be paid in full. Boro, let's cut a deal.
What the hell? An extradition order came down from OFAC. We lose custody of Goro in 48 hours. I have to make a deal.
This is horse shit. Tell OFAC to oh fuck themselves.
See, I don't get the luxury of flying off the handle, being unprofessional, and cursing at my superiors when I don't get what I want. We have him right in that room. You can't. It is not your place to tell me what I can and cannot do, Officer Brunner. And let me be clear. You raise your voice again to me in my building, you'll have a choice between tech support and unemployment. Am I clear?
Yeah.
You okay?
What the hell is the Office of Foreign Asset Control doing? Sending a South American terrorist that was arrested by Americans in Greece to Zimbabwe of all places.
Goro supplied the explosives that were used in a terrorist attack at Harare 4 years ago. There's enough corruption there. He will most likely buy his way out of incarceration within weeks. But the U.S. wants to play nice with the Zimbabwe government to access lithium mines in the Mazembe province.
It's always about money, isn't it?
If we want Goro's buyers, there's no time to waste. He will cooperate if we agree never to prosecute him for crimes known and unknown prior to the date of the agreement.
So if we discover that he blew up an orphanage a year ago, we couldn't touch him.
Correct. But we also don't have to tell him about the extradition order to Zimbabwe. Once his African pals drop all the charges against him, he'll be a free man.
Free to continue business as usual.
Free to be nailed for whatever twisted nonsense he gets up to next. All right, it's not perfect, but I'm trying to turn chicken shit into chicken salad here. You can explain that to your daughter.
Emma's having a real tough day. She's so pissed about Boro, very upset with Romy.
Not an excuse. I'm telling you, as her senior officer, not as her father, keep her in line.
Understood, but I hope that you know how good she really is. She's invaluable to the team. She's a quick problem solver. She has guts. She has great instincts. And I'm saying that as a senior officer and as a father.
Thank you for the evaluation.
You're welcome. And thank you for being on my side. 86ing the torture.
Well, I didn't take anybody's side. Frankly, I'm the only one in this building who's earned the right to have an opinion on torture.
This was not an IED, was it? Whatever they did to you, you obviously withstood it. You did your duty. Whatever happened to you is your business. But this conversation never took place.
Thank you. I'll owe you one.
Steak from Astro's, milkshake from Bob's Big Boy. Now, talk.
Well, the buyers and I communicate via an encrypted dark web message board. They're pinged once I upload an authentication video of myself with the bomb to prove it's operational.
How do you prove it's operational?
State-sponsored satellite of America's many enemies, my many allies. It can trace the bomb's unique nuclear signature and send verification to the buyers. All I need is my weapon.
Well, Yusuf's nuke has been disarmed, but it still has active nuclear material. But we won't allow an enemy to ping our HQ. We shoot the video offsite.
Fine by me. Once the video is online, interested buyers will confirm with Ice Cube emojis, indicating everything's cool. You track their IP addresses, exact locations, commence raids. I promised you whales. My customer list is a who's who of the world's baddest leviathans.
I'm sorry it turned out this way.
I turned out this way because you killed Omar Bologna.
He was a dangerous man, but by killing him, I deprived the little sweet boy of his father. I thought I could fill that space with peanut brittle and gifts and sending you to school, but every kid needs a father figure there.
So quality time with you would have made me a different man.
Quality time is a lie peddled by busy parents to alleviate guilt. It's quantity time that counts, so you're there to wounded knees and doing science projects, falling asleep, watching cartoons together. I'm sorry, I deprived you of all of these wonderful things.
Do you regret killing my father?
No, but I regret what it did to you.
I still think this deal's a mistake.
I know. That's why I wanted to sit this one out. Go to the hospital and support the family. They need it here. Plus, you're too upset and distracted right now to be in the field.
I've been working Boral for months.
What did you tell me about choosing work over family? It's too late for me, but not for you. Take Alden with you to the hospital. Alden, get your shoulder checked. Injured, you look good to me.
Yes, sir.
And Drew and I, we're gonna take Boral upstate.
Oh yeah, tag team back again.
Keep me updated, okay?
Yeah.